Are you wanting to decorate your bedroom, but you're not sure where to get started? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through our recent boho inspired bedroom makeover that we did in one day and share my planning and decor hacks and how to decorate on a budget. Now, our bedroom has been in need of a transformation. Now, we've been married for 10 years now and have had the same comforter set as well as never actually having a proper headboard. So it was time for a refresh. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Lindsay with organizedtosave, and I'm here to help you get organized and be more productive. On this channel, I share budget-friendly tips and tricks as well as digital products to help you declutter and simplify. Now, before starting any makeover project, you need to have a vision. A great way to create a vision for your room is to actually create a mood board. And I actually used my iPad and digital planner, which, heads up, I'm going to be launching new digital products soon. So make sure that you are subscribed and check out my Etsy shop so you don't miss these new products coming out. I'm so excited. If you love the boho vibes, you're gonna love one of the planners that I'm coming out with. But if you're curious about digital planning and what actually that is, I will leave a video down in the description that walks you through digital planning as well as a link to my Etsy shop. Now, quick hack for you if you want to create a mood board for your room as well. One of the apps that I used to remove the background in the photos was a free app on your iPad called Magic Eraser. Now, I'm not going to go into super depth on how to create this mood board, but all that I did was simply removed the background in that Magic Eraser app and then brought the images over to my digital planner and started playing around with different products to test out how they would look in the room. But essentially, the idea of a mood board is to create a vision so that way it can give you an idea of what the room's going to look like and let you kind of see the items together before you actually start purchasing. Now, I'm going to give links to everything down in the description box below, but I literally shopped for this entire makeover from my couch. I am sure the delivery guy was loving me. The majority of this makeover we did in one day, but as things were delivered, my little helper and I assembled everything. I got everything for this makeover from Walmart, Amazon, Target, and a few florals from Michael's. So as I was actually shopping and creating my vision board, a lot of things that I was finding that I liked were on the West Elm site, which is obviously out of my budget. This vanity, if I were to buy it off the West Elm site, it was almost $500. The one that I bought was at Target for only $120, and I actually ended up getting 10% off. When my little helper and I were putting this together, I actually noticed a few dings on the side, and I called. Long story short, they ended up giving us a 10% off discount. Now I have a West Elm inspired desk for a fraction of the cost. But I'm absolutely loving this vanity, and I love how it has the hidden outlet compartment so that way I can plug in all of my hair tools. Now, before we could put in all the new decor, we had to clear everything out and give this room a good clean because, not gonna lie guys, it was gross. So if you're curious about what I'm doing with the old vanity and rug, it actually went into Ellie's room. So we're still actually using the pieces just in a different space. Okay, so now is the fun part. It's time to make this room sparkle. Since I had a vision and a plan, it honestly did not take long to transform this room. A quick hack for you when you're organizing, instead of buying expensive organizers, look around your house and see what you can find. I actually found these little red boxes and I'm using them to store all my hair ties and bobby pins. Get creative and shop your house. For the top of the vanity, I wanted to keep all of my oils and face products that I use on the daily, but I didn't want to have them just scattered on the desk. So I actually corralled them into this adorable tray and it keeps everything corralled together. But I think one of my favorite additions to this room is this new diffuser that I actually hung in a macrame plant holder. Now, I struggle with falling asleep and staying asleep, and since adding this to a room, I have slept so much better by just simply adding lavender essential oils each night before we fall asleep. Curtains can be an easy way to make a huge impact in your space. And one of my favorite hacks for hanging curtains is to hang them high. We hung ours just under the ceiling line, and it made our room feel so tall. I really didn't want anything heavy in this room as I was going for a light and airy boho feel, so I opted for these sheer curtains that I snagged for only $4 each panel from Walmart. You do not have to spend a lot to make a huge impact. We also installed these curtains over our closet doors because I absolutely hated the wood bifold doors that were previously here. They stuck out too far and were always in the way. Now eventually we're going to replace all of the carpet in our house. We have red and green Christmas carpet throughout the entire house, but in order to disguise the green carpet a little bit, I found this awesome jute rug from Walmart at such an amazing price, but also brings in a natural texture. So think about adding different textures to your space through rugs, throw pillows, blankets, and it will really help up the style. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, we've never had an actual headboard, and with our bed having to be placed right in front of the window, it was kind of tricky to find one that actually worked. But this one works perfectly because it still gives us the support of the headboard, but lets the light in through the window. But I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a whole new bed frame, and we really didn't want a footboard as we don't have much walking space between the bed and our closet. So I opted for this headboard from Walmart. We did a little makeshift hack to secure it to our existing bed frame just by utilizing zip ties. Had these existing end tables and lights, and I worked the room's vision around keeping these in order to save on cost. So don't forget to shop your house and utilize items that you already own. I really wanted to add greenery into this space, but I don't have a very good green thumb, so shh, don't tell. But I found a few fake plants on sale from Michael's and added them to this adorable shelf. Now, a super fun and cheap DIY to add some artwork to your space is to just use a few different brush sizes and paint colors and make a DIY art piece. I love how this turned out, and it drew out the pop of pink that I've been absolutely obsessed with lately. Before we get to the reveal, if you're liking this video so far, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of these makeover videos, and also subscribe so you don't miss when I launch my new planners coming out soon. Alright, so let's go ahead and remember what it looked like before, and now let's check out the after. This room is a completely different room. I am absolutely loving the serene boho vibes, all of those touches of that blush pink color. And now when I enter into my bedroom, it's a actual relaxing, calming environment. This entire transformation we did in just one day, so you do not need a lot of time in order to revamp your space. Just remember, planning ahead is going to be key. I absolutely love this rug. It is actually super soft for a jute rug, and it adds an amazing texture to this space. Every single item in here is so special to me now, and I'm absolutely loving all the mixes between the different boho, farmhouse, and industrial vibes. Now, if you want to continue working in your bedroom and you need to maybe tackle your closet, well, check out the video on your screen right now to see how I recently revamped our master closet on a budget and shared some of my favorite closet organizing hacks. We'll see you over there.